one, but
Yeah, you're right. I'd rather any of the ones in between. Linera Goni from Spain. My pronunciation is incorrect. I feel you might do better. Into first place with a time of 105.44 with a touch. And
yeah, now we have
Emily Apel.
yeah, now we have two very strong paddlers with Emily Apel and Eva Pietraccia on the water. So she, oh no 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 no, Ah, I speak too fast. Yeah, yeah. She missed this spin. This spin is maybe a little bit difficult in K1 than in C1 because you are lower in the boat. Maybe a little more difficult to make your boat lighter and take the wave well. But yeah, she